everybody, welcome back to my channel, Purple Pizza Chronicles, and today we are having ice cream bars. So this is Treat Yourself Tuesday, so go ahead and grab you something sweet, grab a little treat, and join me. And I picked the worst day, the worst time of day to record. Everybody's getting home from work, or they're on their lunch break, but they're coming in and out of the main door. That's just like vanilla and chocolate. White chocolate. Milk chocolate. And then almond. I have lipstick on my finger. So every Tuesday, meet me right back here for some more treats. Treat Yourself Tuesday. For those who are joining me for the very first time, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. I film from inside of my living room, and I live above giants, or actually I live below giants. So any noise outside of the video is not me, not my doing. And these are the Magnum brand. So, Belgian chocolate, vanilla bean ice cream. Absolutely delicious. It's gonna be a quick video. I have to go take my daughter to Girl Scouts. I just wanted to get on here and check in with my Purple Pizza eaters. Make sure your day is going good. And that's the almond flavor. It's a very rich chocolate. Water. I don't know why, but every time I eat ice cream or something sweet, I have to automatically drink some water, and it's super refreshing after eating ice cream bars. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know this is a quick video. There's minimal talking in it, and I apologize. Join me back here for another one, guys. Thank you so much, my Purple Pizza eaters, and peace.